Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later.
TikTok made me do it. Welcome to my channel. Come back home, darling. Welcome, sweetheart.
No, what's... You're 96.
Yeah.
1981 to 1996 are millennials.
So cold.
What time are you?
What?
What time are you going?
I don't work out. It's so hot now. Too hot. This is what I'm having for break. I love the weekend with the dishwasher. I'm using it. Trying to use a new app for editing. Yo, that app is so complicated. It felt like I needed something new to challenge me. I'm just gonna stick to iMovie because every video that I edited is distorted. I don't understand how that. Anyways, guys, this is my life for now. How time flies, guys. Like, I'm always in a way. Gotta do the things we love. The benefit that So this is like my second bottle. This is the frozen one. You can freeze it, but then you have to use it within a week. Because I had bought 3 of these. It was a special. I had bought 3 of these. I just make it warm. Panicking. It's like, what?
Whole house.
Yeah.
That's like a very good thing. It's only one room.
Unpractical braids that I've ever had on. Risk of business. This is my life now. We learning recipes. No one cares, just vlog. No one cares, just vlog. No, I'm not gonna get it. Came back from shopping. I want to show you guys what we got. her too? Am I overstimulated? I have to sit down and reevaluate my life choices. I'm 29 this year. Get like young next year and get it. My mom and voice notes. Hi. Do you think?
You what?
Yeah. Let's see how it's gonna turn. Looks good.
Inside careful.
I'm like any.
Order see.
Good morning. Apple cider vinegar, lemon, really blocked.
What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but worry after.
But it's not gonna stop me from going to the gym. Listen to the budget speech. Back again. I just came back from the gym. I went because I'm slowly getting back to the gym life, having a routine, establishing good habits and all of that, and I want to be consistent with that. So I'm starving. But they cannot ruin what they don't know. What's it, you guys?
Always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little.
Good morning, guys. So boring right now because I have deleted Facebook, banana, oatmeal, pancakes. Say life is boring at the moment, yo. I genuinely want to stop scrolling, do like less scrolling, and just be intentional about life. You sit down and you're like, what benefits does this add on me? Easy because there's a bit of fear of missing out, but that period, and I hope that I'll be able to get off protein powder as well. Safe space. I'm glad because after I did that, I then said, you know what, let me just go back to doing what I love, which is creating content. And yeah, like scroll constantly, use my phone constantly, check. It's so difficult, and only one will feel the fried eggs, but I kind of wanted to see how they will. I think it'll work. It'll work for me. I was having a conversation the other day with my husband, because I like to listen to podcasts, right? And he was like, kind of at the end of the day, it's just people's opinions of what they think is right, what possibly worked for them. And it kind of made me feel, Because we are different as individuals, we are different as couples, we are different. I'm happy I did that, and I will always do that because one thing about social media as well, even if you don't want to compare yourself, there's always going to be that bit of comparison that comes with it. Even on YouTube, when you watch vlogs, certain vlogs, you never know what a person is fighting behind closed doors. It's media. It's like we tend to seek validation from other people, and it's so crazy. I remember on Twitter someone had posted how they have so much anxiety with posting on Instagram, and this certain lady or guy replied saying that she still cannot believe that some people really would let an app control their life. When you sit down, you're like, actually this person is kind of making sense. Hey, it's like Instagram, everything has to be perfect. Okay, you look good. Should have gotten 4 of these. This is nice.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus signs, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor.
It looks so crazy. This is one of the craziest outfits that I've ever had. Tom, one of those people who do visual diaries, digital diaries, Hababu, they just vlog. They just vlog. Moment of silence. Yo, what better God? I've been vlogging since Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days. Okay, I only have 7 minutes worth of footage.
Showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder. Meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid.
Everything was 700.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone, you make me feel alive.